Well, good morning, everybody. We're out in Crescent Woods neighborhood here in Lakeland, about to do some window cleaning, and my technicians have already gotten here and started doing what they do. We start by, of course, greeting the customer, making certain that if there's anything special that we need to be aware of that we know, and then, of course, we start taking the screens off, and then we wash those, put them aside, and then we actually start cleaning the windows. So I've got the greatest bunch of technicians on the planet. They do a great job, get rave reviews from all of our customers. So I just wanted to check in this morning. Have a great day.